Can I buy crypto on Webull? Webull, a popular online brokerage, has become a significant player in the investment community due to its commission-free trading platform. However, many users wonder whether they can purchase cryptocurrencies through Webull. While Webull does indeed allow users to buy and sell certain cryptocurrencies, there are critical nuances to consider before diving in. As of now, Webull supports a select number of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. However, it does not offer the wide array of altcoins that some specialized crypto exchanges provide. One of the most significant benefits of buying crypto on Webull is the seamless integration with its stock and options trading features. Users can manage both traditional assets and digital currencies within a single account. The platform also offers advanced charting tools and market data that make it an attractive option for traders who want to analyze price movements, trends, and technical indicators. Moreover, Webull charges no commissions for crypto trading, which is a major draw for users who want to avoid the high fees often associated with other crypto exchanges. However, there are notable downsides. Unlike other platforms that provide the ability to transfer crypto to external wallets, Webull currently restricts withdrawals of cryptocurrencies. This means that once you buy crypto, you cannot move it to a private wallet or use it for other decentralized applications. Webull also doesn't offer crypto staking, which is a popular way for crypto holders to earn passive income. Furthermore, the platform's limited selection of coins may be a turnoff for more serious crypto enthusiasts who want to diversify their holdings. Another important aspect to consider is that Webull, unlike specialized crypto exchanges, does not offer the same depth of crypto education or community engagement, which could be a disadvantage for beginner investors. Additionally, the regulatory environment for crypto remains uncertain, and Webull's exposure to crypto assets is governed by financial regulations, which could change depending on future policy developments. In conclusion, Webull offers a convenient entry point for casual crypto investors, especially those who are already using the platform for stocks and options trading. However, its limitations in coin selection, withdrawal options, and lack of staking features may hinder more advanced traders from fully embracing it as a comprehensive crypto trading platform.